It's a 2018 Audi Q3. Style and substance are the key components of this Q3, so no matter where you run off to, you'll have the perfect vehicle. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, external memory control, doors and push-button start proximity key, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, voice activation, wireless phone connectivity, dual-zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and streaming audio. Edmunds.com highlights its quiet and comfortable ride. Upscale interior and many luxury features come standard. Revolutionary engineering, progressive design, Audi. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Call, click, or stop in today. We are conveniently located at 2404 Crane Highway in Bowie, Maryland.